If it's meant to be, it will be. Hi, good morning. Charles here. It's Wednesday and good luck for the day. And go back tayo dun sa if it's meant to be, it will be. So I'm a firm believer that everything happens for a reason, and if it's meant for you, it will not pass you by, diba? So kahit anong bagay man yan, parang kumbaga nakaplano naman ang lahat ng mga para sa atin, diba? At the right time, at in God's time, perfect time. So whatever you're doing today, kung ano man yung mga gagawin mo, just do it genuinely, happily, and things are unfolding for you, diba? May mga blessings na darating. If hindi man siya agad, eventually it will come. You just have to trust and believe in it. So ayun lang. Annyeong, morning.